Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to check the RAM and storage on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app. Now from here, just tap on about phone. Now from here, to check the storage, just tap on storage. Now as you can see, our smartphone has 256 gigabytes of total storage, and we have consumed 103.7 gigabytes out of the total storage, and we have 152.3 gigabytes available. Now from here you can check the size of the files which are consuming your smartphone storage. Now to check the RAM on your smartphone, just go back. Now from here just search RAM. Now from here tap on RAM. Now as you can see, we have 8 gigabytes of RAM on our smartphone, and we have added 8 gigabytes of extra virtual RAM to our smartphone. Now if you want to check the RAM details from your recent apps, just go back. Now from here just search memory. Now from here just tap on show memory status. Now from here just enable show memory status. Now once you enable this feature, just tap on the recent apps button, and you can see that we have 6.1 gigabytes of RAM available out of the total RAM. And this is how you can check the RAM and the storage on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.